we just did. It was kind of ugly, but that was a race. This week is a big week for sailing. Down in Migraine, we're doing our cups racing. Please, settle yourself. Big, huge deal down in Migraine. In General Sail, we'll be doing racing of our own in the beginning of the week, and then we'll be cheering on, watching the races. But if you come on down to General Sailing this week, we're going to have tons of fun. We're going to be sailing big boats and little boats and medium-sized boats. You're going to get to sail with your friends. We're going to do tons of drills. You're going to learn a bunch of stuff. If it's really hot, we might even do some man overboard drills. So I'm telling you, it's going to be fun. Sign up for sailing. Woo!